In this tutorial, I will show you how to control the animation sequence in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Presentation. This format works best for adding animations and transitions to slides. Once the presentation opens, start by adding a few elements to your slide. You can add text, shapes, icons, or images from the Elements and Text sections. Next, click on the element you want to animate. At the top of the editor, click Animate. Canva will show different animation styles such as fade, pop, rise, or slide. Choose the animation you want for that element. You can repeat this process for each element on the slide. This allows different parts of your slide to appear with their own animation. After adding animations, check the sequence order. Open the animation controls and review how each element appears. If the order is not correct, adjust it by changing the element order on the page. Make sure important items like the title appear first, followed by images or text points. This helps create a smooth storytelling effect in your slide. You can also add transitions between slides. Click between two slides and choose Add Transition. Select a transition style, such as slide or dissolve. Finally, click play at the top of the screen to preview the presentation. Check that the animations appear in the correct order and adjust if needed. That is how you control the animation sequence in Canva.